Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can overcome this error while using the Rufus tool. So let's get started. In the first step, change the location of the ISO file to a different place. Now in step 2, format the USB flash drive. Once done with the formatting, go to the official web page of Rufus tool. Now scroll down the page and click on other versions. Now these are all the older versions of the Rufus tool. Simply search for the 3.9 version and download it. Now once you download it, don't run the newer version, run the 3.9 version. Select the USB flash drive from here, click here and select the ISO from the new location. Now in the partition scheme, you have to select either GPT or MBR. To decide that, simply search for disk management and click on this option. Now right click over the C drive and go to its properties. From here click on this option, select the drive and click on properties. Now from here go to volume and click on populate. Here in the partition style you can see whether it is GPT or MBR. So accordingly select the partition scheme in the Rufus tool. Now give a volume label name and click on start. Click on OK from here. And now wait for the process to finish, and this time you won't get the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.